Hey guys, how's it going? Mike with A&M here. Today we got a call. A lady had a landscaping company come out and they did a bunch of work for her, but they didn't take away any of the yard debris. So she actually hired us to come out and pick up all that stuff. So that's what the video is going to be about today. So we're going to get right into it. We got it all loaded up here on the trailer. If we take this to the dump, it's probably gonna be like a $30 disposal fee. So she paid us $250 minus $30 minus my pay to my 2 employees. I'm probably gonna walk away with like $180. So $180 for an hour's worth of work isn't bad money. Obviously you have to have a trailer, and then, you know, we have to consider the time that we actually have to go to the dump and dispose of it. But overall, still pretty easy money for not a whole lot of work. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we will see you guys next time.